What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you 7 different elbows. Now, elbow number 1, it's very easy. When it comes to the essential elbow strikes, okay? What I'm doing here is I'm taking this elbow that you guys see, and I'm looking at like a base. There's a couple of ways that, you know, in the karate world, they have their hand on the wrist and then they swing, and I like that. That's a good board breaking technique. There's another one where not the correct way, excuse me, where I feel like there's another way where you're trying to get out of a bad situation, and I'm here, and I'm swinging my elbow like a baseball bat. You see what I'm saying? So elbow number 1 is I'm going right across the jawline. I'm aiming right by my forearm, the side of my forearm where my elbow meets, hitting right here. And I'm going right across the jaw, or I want to go down into someone's throat. Ugh, that's a bad day. I can be here driving my whole body. I can be here just turning my elbow into the neck. Elbow number 2. Elbow number 2 is more of a side strike here. If I see someone that's like near me and it's like, bro, it's like, please, I hear you. Like, please step back, please get away. Ha! And then I drill, boom. I hit him on the side and I throw my whole body into it. When you do that, it's mainly where the tricep lies, and it's right underneath on the downward elbow. Think of it like going, yeah, but you're doing it sideways. And I'm going in a horse stance, and I'm standing my ground, shooting with my left hand up in case I have to turn my whole body, grab, and do a knee strike if I need to. So I go 1, all right? I'm here, look, I go 1, boom, boom, boom. So go ahead and practice that both sides. The third one is behind the back. Someone's behind you and they're not getting the hint. They're clearly in your space and you want them out of it. So all I'm doing here is I'm looking, boom, and I'm striking. Looking, striking. I see, strike. See, strike. And I'm just turning my whole body and I'm hitting with the back of my elbow, okay? So you have 1, 2, and then 3. Number 4. Number 4 is a good one. I like this one. You're gonna take your elbow and you're gonna shoot it backwards, almost kind of like something like scared. And you're like, whoa, like a mouse scurried across the floor or something. So you're here. I'm taking my elbow, boom, shooting my whole body into the pelvis or like the rib. So I'm shooting it back, and I am shooting this thing hard. Boom, boom, boom. Somebody could be grabbing me and having their hands on me. I am drilling my entire elbow into whatever the part of their body it is. If they don't like it, good. I'm doing a good job. Number 5 is up the jawline. If they were behind you, I'm here. I'm going up the jaw. So I'm going straight through the chest, right up the jaw. If they have their teeth biting down on their tongue, it's a bad day. So you're here with the 4, but now you're here with the 5. You shoot up. You're going straight up the line. Everything's tight. Nothing is going outside the body where there's no space. Here, shoot up, okay? That's number 5. Number 6 I like to talk about too, because number 6 is an uppercut with the elbow. It's a splice, or a slice, not a splice. It's a slice that goes right up the jaw. You could really cut deep. Elbows are knives anyway. They're built-in knives that we have if you cut at the right speed, but you're cutting upward. So I'm here. I would recommend going towards the jaw or towards the chest line. You could drill that chest right here. Boom! That's a bad day for them. If you feel like you're blocking and then you just want to shoot the elbow in, you don't have to necessarily smack. You could just use this like a rhino and just aim right at the diaphragm. Last one is number 7. Number 7 is an elbow drop. Think of it like they're on their back or something and you're here and you drop down. Or you want to take it, you're fighting, boom, 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 ground by the neck, boom! And you just drop it right on the spinal cord. Actually, I had an incident where that happened to me years ago, and I need surgery now because it affected me along the years. So please, this is why I say think before you act, okay? So the elbow down, boom, right on the back of the neck. You can grab and strike right there. So in review, you have 1, you have 2 on both sides, you have 3, okay? You have 4 here. You have 5, you have 6, and then you have 7. Boom, boom. But those are the 7 elbows. If there's any I left out, maybe this is number 8. But remember, your elbow is a baseball bat for the primary, and you want to just, if they're in tight, let the elbows do the work. Elbows and knees. All right. Kamsahamnida. Thank you. Go check out my Patreon. I hope you enjoyed this whole entire video. I have different workouts that help you get better at elbows and different classes where you could train with me. All right? Thank you guys so much.